Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to create three different hairstyles on my 3+ year old baby. So the first one is Fulani hair braids. So I'm going to section the hair into three parts. The back of the hair is going to be big box braid, and the front part of the hair I already weave some part out, as you guys can see, and the middle part of each weaves I'm going to be doing braids, and at the end I'm going to add beads, colorful beads to this braid. So yeah, this is how this hair looks. This is really pretty, and it lasted a very long time. I added edge control, and I also used some hair care so it could make the hair last really long, and it won't break her hair. This is really pretty, and she loves it so much. Guys, let me know what you think about this hair, or which of these styles is your favorite, or you'll be trying out for your daughter. So the second one is, I actually don't know the style. I just created it, guys. But all I did was, in the middle part, I weaved 4 braids on one side and on the other side. Then on each hair that I packed, I just cut out braids from it, like to cross it. So it's giving like a cross style kind of. I really do not know. Please give this hair a name down in the comment section if you find any for it. But this hair is really beautiful, and this part where our hair is left is going to braid the back, and the front part is just going to be packed a bit, and I'll weave the hair. So this is how the hair is looking. I love it so much, and it's really pretty. This is the third hairstyle, and this is called two-step. This is just like an old school hairstyle, and it's really pretty as well. This doesn't involve any form of beads and all of that. Let me know what you guys think down in the comment section. Which of this style is your favorite? Leave it in the comment section.